Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channels, continuing our problem solving series in sequences and series. Here I came up with the 40th question written on the screen. If x is equal to summation 0 to infinity of a power n, y is equal to summation 0 to infinity of b power n, and z summation n is equal to 0 to infinity of c power n, where a, b, c are in arithmetic progression, and the value of mod a is less than 1, mod b is less than 1, mod c is less than 1, then x, y, z are in which type of progression they are asking. So guys, it is given to us like a, b, c are in arithmetic progression, and the first thing is implying me what? X is equal to a to the power 0 plus a to the power 1 plus a to the power 2 plus a to the power 3 goes on up to infinity it will be, and y is equal to b to the power 0 plus b to the power 1 plus b to the power 2 plus b to the power 3 goes on up to infinity it will be, and z is equal to c to the power 0 plus c to the power 1 plus c to the power 2 plus c to the power 3 goes on up to infinity it will be. So the value of x will be becoming what? 1 upon 1 minus a, and value of y will be becoming what? 1 upon 1 minus b, and the value of z will be becoming what? 1 upon 1 minus c. Why I am writing like this? Because we know as infinity formula is equal to a upon 1 minus r. Now, how should I proceed further? Guys, I do know that a, b, c are in arithmetic progression. So, minus times of a, minus times of b, and minus times of c will be also an arithmetic progression, because multiplying throughout a arithmetic progression by a constant quantity will not change the type of sequence. It will be a arithmetic progression only. Means multiplying by a constant quantity throughout a AP will be making a sequence, it will be a AP only. Similarly, adding or subtracting a constant quantity throughout the sequence will not change the type of sequence, also it will be becoming an AP only. By taking the reciprocal of terms written in AP, what will be going to get generate? An HP will be going to get generate, and when I am taking reciprocal of these things, it will be becoming an HP over here, and that means x comma y comma z are in harmonic progression. So let's see which option will be going right over here. Option A will be the right answer for this question. Now let's move on to the next question. A1, A2, A3, An are in harmonic progression, and they have asked the value of this thing. My dear students, if A1, A2, A3 goes on up to n numbers An are in harmonic progression, what can be written by me? 1 upon A1, 1 upon A2, 1 upon A3 goes on up to 1 upon An will be in an arithmetic progression. And what do we have over here? A1, A2 plus A2, A3 goes on up to An minus 1. An is written over here. So we would have to get the value of this as in the form of n multiplied by A1 An, whatever will be going to get generate over here. Guys, we do know one thing. A2 minus 1 upon A2 minus 1 upon A1 will be equal to 1 upon A3 minus 1 upon A2 will be equal to 1 upon A4 minus 1 upon A3, and goes on up to will be equal to 1 upon An minus 1 upon An minus 1. Now you might be wondering why they are all equal, because this is the common difference of the AP. Hope you guys would have got my point. So what should be written by me? A1 minus A2 divided by A1 A2 it will be, and similarly it will be what? A2 minus A3 divided by A2 A3 it will be, and similarly it will be what? A3 minus A4 divided by A4 A3 A4 it will be, goes on up to a to the power An minus 1 upon An minus 1 minus An upon An dot An minus 1 it will be. Now what is the format of question given to us? Guys, the reciprocal of the things are given to me. I have A1, A2, A2, A3. So we can see A1, A2, A2, A3. All of these things will be becoming what? Let us suppose all are equal to a k over here. So what we can see? A1, A2 will become A1 minus A2 by k over here. Similarly, A2, A3 will become A2 minus A3 divided by k over here. Similarly, A3, A4 will become A3 minus A4 divided by k over here. And finally, we will have An dot An minus 1 will become An minus 1 minus An divided by k over here. So guys, when I'll be going to add up all these things, because we want the final answer in the form of A1, A2 plus A2, A3 plus A3, A4 goes on up to An dot An minus 1. So it will be becoming what? 1 upon k times of a1 minus a2 plus a2 minus a3 plus a3 minus a4 goes on up to an minus 1 minus an. So finally plus a2 minus a2 will be gone, plus a3 minus a3 will be gone, plus a4 minus a4 will be gone, and guys over here it will be gone like this. So we'll be remaining up with a1 minus an divided by k over here. Now you might be wondering what will be the value of k, sir? So guys, k is this is the value of k, or the common difference is the value of k. So let's see what is the type of options written over here. Guys, let us suppose the nth term is what? 1 upon an of our arithmetic progression. So we'll be writing what? 1 upon an is equal to 1 upon a1 plus n minus 1 times of d. And this all things are what? Value of d only. So we'll be going to get d is what? K only. So we'll be going to get 1 upon an minus 1 upon a1 is equal to n minus 1 times of d. And that will be becoming what? a1, let's write it over here, a1 minus an divided by a1 an is equal to n minus 1 times of d it will be. Or d will be what? a1 minus an divided by a1 multiplied by an multiplied by n minus 1 in denominator. So let's keep the value of d over here in the final answer. So it will be becoming a1 minus an divided by a1 minus an, and in the numerator will be becoming n minus 1 multiplied by a1 dot an. So this will be going to get cancelled directly. So the final answer will be a1 dot an dot n minus 1. So the option B will be the right answer for this question. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Let's move on to the next question. The geometric sequence progression consists of positive terms, each term equals to the sum of the next two terms, then the common ratio of this progression they are asking. Consisting of positive terms, that is a1 then a2, okay, but what else is given? A comma ar I will assume, because it's a geometric progression. Then ar square is there, then ar cube is there, goes on. Each term equals to the sum of next two terms. So a is equal to what? ar plus ar square should be written by me. Then the common ratio of this series they are asking. So guys, I'll be going to get rid of a directly over here. So 1 is equal to r plus r square will be coming over here, or r square plus r minus 1 is equal to 0 will be coming over here. Or by making use of quadratic formula, I will be writing minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a will be the value of r, that is minus 1 plus or minus root 5 by 2. So which option should be marked by us? Now guys, they also told consisting of positive terms. So positive terms means what? R value should not be negative. Okay, that means what? We should write root 5 minus 1 by 2. Root 5 minus 1 by 2 will be the right answer for this question. So which option should be marked? This option should be marked.